Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different here and I wanted to let you guys know. For a long time I've wanted to do an actual build-along series where it'd be kind of like me in the shop with you so we could have a project that we can all work together. So I built this prototype and we're actually going to be going through this live on my other channel, Wood by Wright How To. There's a link to it down below. And we're going to be doing this step by step on a live series every Tuesday night at 8 p.m. Central Time. And so one day we're going to be looking at making angled dovetails. Another day we're going to be looking at making the bent handle. Another day doing grooves and dados. Another day resawing. And we're going to take this all step by step so you can actually get the plans for this and you can get everything you need to ahead of time and then come and join me live. So we're going to be taking this from 2 boards and a dowel into this project live. So you can actually build along with me in your shop, watch what I'm doing live, repeat it live. And if you have any questions you come up along, you can actually ask those live while I'm in the project. So it'd be kind of like having a hand tool class, but doing it in your own shop. So I hope you kind of like this idea. Something a little bit different, but I thought I would let you guys know about that. So that's about it for today. I wanted to let everyone know because we're gonna be trying something a little bit different. Let me know your thoughts and ideas in the comments down below. And until next time, have a wonderful day. What does a panda fry his bamboo in? A pan, duh.